Hey everyone, I am Adarsh Shukla, and today's video I'm going to show you the Power BI project which I make in the previous days. And looking forward, Amazon store sales dashboard, as you can see on the screen. And here you can see the KPIs like sales, profit, quantity, average delivery time. And you can see top of the right the sales by category, sales by subcategory, which is awesome. And you can see office supplier, which is most demanded in comparison between followed by furniture and technology. And you can see here the sales by subcategory where tables are most demanded. As you can see, some of sales segments like office, home office, which is provided as 18%, corporate 25%, and consumer is 57%. As you can see, the monthly sales by year over year, you can see 2019 and 2020 as well. And here you can see the monthly profit by year over year, which is provided by the monthly sales. And you can see here sales by ship mode, which provide standard class, first class, second class, and same day as well. And here you can see this cash on delivery is 55%. That is awesome, which looks like Amazon is going to deliver most of the cases, most of the delivers are COD form. And if I tell about the average delivery time is 96% in the south, and if I say east, you can see the average delivery 108. And if I say west, you can see 97. If I say central, you can see 111 days. The average delivery time it is. And some of sales and some of profit by state, which looks in map. There is nothing but yeah, if I say the most demanded thing which I love to make, that is Amazon store sales forecast, which looks awesome. And if I say the California sales state, if I say California, you can see here on the map, the sales by California over here, how much sales are there in the California. If I say New York, the total margin of the sales, your profit, your loss, everything will look on this map. Everything will be discovered in the Amazon store sales forecast, which is I made in previous days. And yeah, this is all about. Please connect with me on LinkedIn as well, and I will tell you what type of connection, what type of knowledge you can get from me, and everything looks like awesome. Yeah, that's all about. Looking forward to see you in the data world.